Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Fitbit application on your Amazon tablet. So in the first tab, open the web browser and look for the Fitbit APK extension file. Remember, this is not official source, so you're making it at your own risk. Okay, now just tap on the download APK and wait a second. Now tap on the small download icon and close the ad. Confirm by OK and wait a second. Okay, we're done, so you can tap on the application to start the installation process. Click install. And open. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.